Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between different activities. You will end up working smarter, not harder, to get more done in less time. Hello my viewers, my name is Soumen and today I am going to explain what benefits we can unlock if we use our time effectively. I am going to explain step by step, but before we start, I want to say to every single of one, watch the video till the end because this video is going to help you to understand what benefits you can unlock if you use your time effectively. So watch the video and let's start. Do you ever feel like there is not enough time in a day? Everyone gets 24 hours. So why do some people seem to achieve more with their time than other people? The answer is good time management. Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between different activities. You will end up working smarter, not harder, to get more done in less time. The highest achiever, they manage their time exceptionally well by using mind tool. You also can make the most of your time. Start right now. Now I am going to explain the benefit of good time management. When you know how to manage your time effectively, you can unlock many benefits like great productivity and efficiency, less stress, professional reputation, increased chance of advancement, more opportunities to come to your life and career goals. Overall, you start feeling more in control with the confidence to choose how to best use your time by feeling more happier, more relaxing and better able to think. See what benefits you can unlock if you use your time effectively. But the problem is many people, we just without recognizing wasting our time on social media. Don't do it. The most expensive gift that you can give somebody is your time. So use your time to do something which is valuable. If the time is gone, this time never come back to us. Try to understand that fact. And most of the people, without recognizing, we are just wasting our productive time on something what's not important to us, what's not going to help us to be productive, what's not going to help us to gain more knowledge. We do it. And because of that reasons, we feel like there is not enough time in a day. You have to figure it out where you spend your productive time, where you spend your majority of time. Most of the people, they spend their time on social media. They spend their time to going out with their friends or doing something what's not valuable, playing video game, watching movie. Do you really think those things are going to help you to become the person who you want to become? No. Those things are not going to help you to be productive. Those things are not going to help you to less stress. Those things are not going to help you to become the person who you always wanted to become. Try to figure it out. I know many people, they are just wasting their time without recognizing. This is really bad part of using our time. You need to understand that facts, how much important the time is. Time is more expensive than money. You can earn money anytime, anywhere in the world, but you cannot earn time. You cannot save your time. Time is same for everyone. Look at the highly successful people, how they manage their time. If they can manage their time wisely, then why we cannot do it? Why we cannot be more productive like them? And why we feel like there is not enough time in a day? Because we don't have good time management skills. You need to understand that facts, how much important to everyone to manage our time wisely. The problem is same. Most of the people, we just wasting our time without recognizing. Don't do it, bro. Time is more expensive. Please figure it out where you spend your productive time and do something what's valuable to you. Do something what's going to bring you success, what's going to help you to increase your knowledge. So I hope now you understand how much important to everyone to use our time wisely and what benefits we can unlock if we use our time effectively. So thank you so much guys for watching me. I hope you will like this video and also I hope you will learn something valuable things from this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe because I make this kind of videos about self-development and also learning English language fluency. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, turn on the notification, 2 days for that. I will be back very soon. Bye guys.